Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bhagyashree, studying BE second year at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today I am here with another topic, inheritance in Java. So let's see in this session. Introduction to inheritance in Java. Inheritance is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming. It allows classes to inherit the properties and behaviors of another class. In Java, inheritance is implemented using the extends keyword. Basic syntax of inheritance. To inherit a class, use the extends keyword followed by the name of the class to be inherited. The subclass can then access all public and protected members of the superclass. The syntax of the defining a subclass is a class, subclass, extends, superclass. Example 1. Vehicle hierarchy. Create a superclass called vehicle with common properties like brand, model, and year. Create a subclass like car, motorcycle, and truck that inherit from the vehicle class. Each subclass can have its own unique properties and behaviors in addition to the inherited ones. Car class can have properties like the number of doors and fuel type. Motorcycle class can have properties like the number of wheels and engine displacement. Truck class can have properties like payload capacity and towing capacity. By using the inheritance, we can create object of each subclass and access the common properties through the superclass. For example, we can create a car object and access its brand and model, which are inherited from the vehicle class. Inherited promotes code reuse and makes the code more organized and maintainable. Example 2. Shape hierarchy. Create a superclass called shape and common properties like color and area. Create a subclass like circle, rectangle, and triangle that inherited from the shape class. Each subclass can have its own unique properties and behaviors in addition to the inherited ones. Circle class can have properties like radius and implement methods to calculate its area and circumference. Rectangle class can have properties like length and width and implement methods to calculate its area and perimeter. Triangle class can have properties like base and height and implement methods to calculate its area. By using inheritance, we can create object of each subclass and access their common properties through the superclass. For example, we can create a circle object and access its color and area, which are inherited from the shape class. Inheritance allows us to write generic code that can work with object of different subclasses. Access modifier in inheritance. Public members inherited from the superclass have public access in the subclass. Protected members inherited from the superclass have protected access in the subclass. Private members inherited from the superclass are not accessible in the subclass. Important keywords in the inheritance. Extend used to inherit a class from a superclass. Super refers to the superclass used to access superclass members within the subclass. This refers to the current instance of the class used to access current class members. Multiple inheritance in Java. Java does not support multiple inheritance where a class can inherit from multiple classes. This is to avoid ambiguity and complexity arising from conflicting methods of or attributes. However, Java allows multiple levels of inheritance where classes can inherit from other classes in hierarchical manner. Benefits of inheritance in Java. Increased code reusability. Inheritance allows developers to define a base class with common properties and behaviors, and then create derived classes that inherit and extend those properties and behaviors. This promotes code reuse and developers can avoid duplicating code by inheriting from existing classes. Flexibility and extensibility. Inheritance provides a flexible and extensible framework for designing and implementing Java applications. Derived classes can add new methods and attributes, override existing methods and implement new interface allowing for customization and specialization of functionality. Polymorphism. Inheritance enables the use of polymorphism, which allows object of derived classes to be treated as object of the base class. This promotes code flexibility and simplifies programming, as the same code can return to handle different types of objects as long as they share a common base class. Code maintenance and scalability. Inheritance simplifies code maintenance and scalability. By modifying the base class, and changes automatically propagate to all derived classes, reducing the effort required to update and maintain the code. Additionally, new derived classes can be easily added to the hierarchy, allowing for scalability and future expansion of the code base. Consideration for using inheritance. Overuse of inheritance. Inheritance should be used judicially to avoid creating a complex class hierarchies that are hard to understand and maintain. Single inheritance limitations. Java supports single inheritance, meaning a class can only inherit from one superclass. However, it can implement multiple interfaces. Encapsulation. Inheritance can break encapsulation if subclasses directly access superclass fields that should be private. Conclusion. Inheritance is a powerful feature in Java that allows classes to inherit properties and behaviors from a superclass. It promotes code reuse, extensibility, and supports polymorphism. By carefully considering its usage, inheritance can make our code more organized, maintainable, and efficient. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.